So we're here on the I guess they call it the forward saloon. The main saloon is what this is called. We have this button here. We call it the easy button. Let's see here. If I go like this and push the button, something amazing happens. Gotta do something. Oh, hey! That's what happens. Tanya shows up. Guys, day 2 aboard the Northern Sun. Today's morning adventure, I guess, is snorkeling. It is like 8 o'clock in the morning. This is a bit early for me, but we're doing it. Let's do it. They keep the boats on the tenders on the deck above us here, and perform this this ritual like every day. We are ready to go. We're here. Ready for today's adventures.
Be in the shade underneath the trees or right along the beach.
That's nice. How blue this water is, how clear this water is. Alright. Just landed on this island here. They have us all set up over here with a little awning. A little private party going on over here. Got a cooler full of cold drinks and beer. Gonna just kind of lounge out here for a little while before we cruise on over to our next stop. I already feel it's getting dark. We're gonna be 3 shades more tan by the time we get back. People in Vegas are gonna be like, where you been? Why are you so dark?
Look, right here!
Hey there, buddy. Here we are at our little, perfect. Our little makeshift campground. Make sure we got all the essentials. First aid kit.
Lots of local beer.
Exactly. I love me a chong. I will have one of those, please. Thank you. You have a good time, Vickers?
Yeah, there's a sideways walking track.
Don't they all walk sideways?
No, not the hermit.
That was hard work. Alright, so it is like crazy hot out here. We're gonna head back to the boat. Careful,
boss, right here, Tommy.
We're gonna head back to the yacht first. Get cooled off, but I did finally get to fly the drone and catch some aerials. So we're probably gonna see some of that here, right? always have to take these tenders, these shuttles, back and forth to get back on the yacht, because you know, obviously the yacht can't get very close to land, so it's kind of a pain in the butt, but I'm not complaining. All right, here we go. And we're back. Whew. Man, it's really starting to rage out here right now. We're from Vegas, so this is like home.
Hot and dry.
Oh my gosh, yeah, this is wild. Alright, so
spicy.
the aunties here have been kind of bugging me to hurry up and get back so we can try this.
Fried chili
Some fried chili.
with oregano and salt in there.
I think they know something that I don't, but
You have to try.
honest reaction. Here we go.
You are Thai people already.
Yeah,
What about
it's not bad.
egg fresh?
It's spicy, but it's not bad.
Beer is good.
Yeah, good for beer. Good for a snack, right?
But didn't say anything yet until they come up, okay? Okay.
It's got some kick, but
Yeah.
it's good. Look at the size of this apple.
Is it real or fake?
It's real.
Is it really?
Yeah, this thing is like
Dig into that later.
like I need some like reference. Like here's a Nintendo Switch. Like here's Vicky's head. Like that's crazy how big this apple is. Yeah, here's an iPhone. Oh wait, here's an iPhone 11 Max next to this apple. That's just obnoxiously big. You feed a family of 4 with this thing, and it's real. You ready for lunch, Vickers? All right, it's we're underway now. We're getting underway to the next island, but it's lunchtime. Light lunch today. We got about 4 hours of sailing, and then we'll be at the next location.